Imagine placing a computing beast, capable of crushing professional workloads, directly into the palm of your hand. Imagine a device that makes bulky tower PCs look like ancient artifacts, delivering staggering power without making a sound. We are standing on the edge of a new era of desktop computing, and the epicenter of this revolution is the Mac Mini M5. For years, the Mac Mini has been the darling of developers, creative professionals, and smart consumers who know that true power doesn't need a massive chassis. But the rumors spreading through the industry right now are not just exciting, they are earth-shattering. This is not a simple spec bump. This is a complete redefinition of what a desktop computer can be. If you are serious about tech, if you need unmatched performance for editing 8K video, compiling complex code, or rendering 3D environments, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this video. We are about to dive into the specs, the benchmarks, and the revolutionary technology that will make the Mac Mini M5 the most sought-after machine of 2026. The heart of this powerhouse is the M5 chip, built on the cutting-edge N3P3 nanometer process. This refined architecture isn't just about raw speed, it's about absolute efficiency. We are looking at a 10-core CPU that is projected to be 20% faster than the already blistering M4, allowing you to breeze through tasks that would choke other machines. But the real headline is the GPU. Apple has introduced a dedicated neural accelerator into each of the 10 GPU cores. This means AI workloads, image generation, and complex graphics rendering will be up to 4.5 times faster than on the M4. This isn't just a faster computer, it's an AI monster in a tiny box. Now let's talk about the memory, because Apple is finally addressing the needs of power users. The rumors are strong that the base model will finally start at 16 gigabytes of unified memory, with high-end configurations jumping to an astonishing 32 gigabytes on the base chip. For those stepping up to the M5 Pro, we are talking about support for up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, turning this compact machine into a professional workstation that can handle massive datasets and complex virtual environments with ease. And the memory bandwidth is seeing a huge 30% boost, ensuring that data moves between the processor and memory faster than ever before. But power is nothing without connectivity, and the Mac Mini M5 is designed to be the central hub of your professional setup. It will feature the latest Thunderbolt 4 technology on the base model, providing blazing fast transfer speeds for your external drives and accessories. The M5 Pro model is rumored to upgrade to Thunderbolt 5, delivering even higher bandwidth for multiple high-resolution displays and high-speed networking. Along with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, you will have the fastest, most reliable connections available. The design is expected to remain the ultra-compact 5x5-inch enclosure that Apple introduced, showcasing just how much power can be packed into a small space. The thermal architecture has been further refined to ensure that this beast stays cool and silent, even under sustained heavy loads. This is a machine designed to disappear on your desk while dominating your workflow. We also have to talk about storage. The Mac Mini M5 will continue to offer fast SSD options ranging from 256 gigabytes up to 2 terabytes, with the M5 Pro scaling even higher to 8 terabytes. The PCIe controller has also